shit about to catch on fire. I think that shit about to catch on fire. That was wild as fuck.
Get off your knees, you gotta cry to me. Even if you say I'm got you still might lie to me. Hop on a jet and get gone, they won't fly with me. Think you pulling strings, but I got my guitar with me. Whoa, you ain't shit, yeah, I know how this goes. It's always me, that's why my heart is cold. But I ain't tripping, cause I know I'm chosen. I'm a ball in this bit like the rose. And heart frozen, it can't go boom, 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 boom. Don't know where I'm going, but I'm a zoom, 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 zoom. I can't control it. I'm trying not to lose my cool. Weight on my heart, it makes it hard for it to go boom, 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 boom.
Look who's back. Look who's back in the vlog, y'all.
Yes, we back in this motherfucking bitch. Yeah, that motherfucker got bigger.
Yeah. Somebody doing their squats.
No. Somebody been running.
There we go. There we go.
Every morning.
I'm streaming, bro. What's up, man? Who we with, man?
Man, it's Tony, bro. Nice to
Tony,
meet you,
yes,
brother.
sir, yes, sir.
Got the baby A4, man. Dad car right now.
Hey, it's all good. It's all good. That motherfucker turbo and
Yeah, turbo.
Hey.
That boy turbo is right here and this shit too.
Hell yeah.
Audi game, man. Yeah, let the Audis live.
Damn. Fuck it, blow it up. Fuck it. Fuck it. Oh. What are you doing, son? Bruh. What is he? You gotta floor it. Shit. Oh, man.
Don't kill us, crowd. Come on.
Almost. Damn. Come on, man. Hey, bro. Hell yeah. Oh, yeah. That's how you show up and fuck up the car show, just like that. Somebody revving out this bitch. Who over here? Who over here? Who over here? We got a 4-wheel. TRX. What do I think? Should I do something with that? Hey, this been hard now. This been hard. Hey, my boy made it out this morning.
Get a step now. Let's drill now. Keep it going now. Just move, just stop now. Just move.
Don't hit my shit.
Living it up.
Hey, you know my best life.
Doing it all.
My best life. What's up with your game?
Cooling, dog. Doing good.
Yeah. I ain't think this shit was gonna last too long. I was like, man, let me pop out this motherfucker.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
But
I'm just with the vibes tonight. They're looking good.
Appreciate you. Hell yeah. I'm trying to see how many people burn out before them boys show up.
No cap.
And if they keep it straight, then I'm gonna have to do the same thing. I'm gonna fuck it up. Hey, on the way out, I'm gonna have to fuck it up.
No, I gotta get tired anyway.
Hey! Oh shit! You the nigga that steal them AI posters!
No, my God.
Oh shit! My nigga, hey! Hey, bro, man. Hey, shout out to Party, bro. Shout out to ChatGPT.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? My boy, hey, you post something, he gonna take it.
I'm gonna take it.
I'm messy as
it's
fuck.
It's not yours.
Bro, I'm messy. Oh, shit. Oh, time to go. All the black people gotta go. All the white people can stay. Oh shit. Oh. You see the popo?
They pulled right here in front of me.